Hi, friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Me Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to turn off the login with the Google option on your Pinterest application on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. So, how to turn off the login with a Google option on your Pinterest account? Just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, click on your profile if you are just using a normal Pinterest profile, or click on the three dot option on the top if you are just using your business profile, and then you just need to click on the setting option. After clicking on the setting option, you just need to scroll down to the bottom section. You just need to find an option called security. Click on the security option. After click on the security option, you have the option called login with Google. Just click on this. So now it shows disconnect the Google. If you are disconnect the Google, you will not able to log in with Google. To log into the Pinterest, you will have to use your email and password. So you just need to, before doing this option, you just need to create a password if you are only using a Pinterest account with login with the Google option. Okay, and click on the disconnect option. It automatically disconnect your Pinterest account from the Google. So the login option will be disconnected. So you only able to put your email and your password to log inside the Pinterest account, and you can't make an option to directly log in with Google without the passwords. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet the next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day.